Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Michael in Texas on the RCI 99N4. Michael, we got you ready to go, just the basic tune alignment. Show you what we got here with the R power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 all the way down. Maybe you decide to run like a 16 pillar bigger, you got plenty of adjustability. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low audio. Let's do it again. Low audio. We'll call her 200 bird, 500 watt slug and peak, 1 audio. 500 watts. Alright, Michael, we'll get it out to you, man. To the Bighorn State from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.